Welcome to 1563 Rawlings Drive, a stunning 4+1 bedroom brick home with 4 washrooms situated within the highly sought-after and family-oriented Liverpool community of Pickering. Landscaped with stone walkways on both sides of the home, the walkway to the covered front entrance continues through to the backyard, and the inviting entrance opens into a main level showcasing crown moldings, gleaming hardwood flooring, and generously sized principal rooms with an open flow that is a delight for entertaining. Immediately off the foyer is the sunken family room. Filled with soft natural light through windows complete with California shutters, this lovely gathering space has a fresh, airy atmosphere, a contemporary chandelier, and a fireplace surrounded by stacked stone cladding that is topped with a stone ledge. The formal living and dining rooms are open to each other, with these entertaining spaces having large bay windows with east-facing exposures that allow for warm natural light. A soft, neutral decor and pot lighting enhances the bright, spacious aura of the living room, while accentuating the elegance of the dining area is a rich color palette and the ambiance of a vintage-style chandelier. With a stunning modern design and color palette that blends functionality and beauty, the exceptionally bright gourmet kitchen showcases pot, pendant, and under-cabinet lighting, a skylight above the stainless steel double sink, as well as a tiled floor. The glass-tiled backsplash is accented with mosaic borders. Stainless steel appliances include an oven with gas cooktop and griddle, a French door fridge with bottom-mount freezer, and a dishwasher. And the cabinetry is complete with a pantry area, contemporary hardware, and glass-paneled accent cabinets with interior lighting. While a chef's desk, the two ends of the center island, the exposed side of the end base cabinet, as well as the counters, are all stone. From the kitchen is the walkout to access the beautiful east-facing backyard, which features a huge stone patio area that is a continuation of the walkway from the north side of the home. The yard has mature perennials along its north and south sides, a mature shade tree, a storage shed, and vegetable gardens along the east fence, which also has a gate that gives direct access to the sidewalk along Dixie Road, and both the Glendale Marketplace Plaza and the Brookdale Center Shopping Mall are short walks from this home. The foyer's floor is tiled in a herringbone design, and the coat closet has sliding barn-style doors of solid wood, and the main level also features a laundry room with oak storage cabinets, a front-load washer and dryer, as well as a ceramic tiled floor and sink backsplash, while polished floor tiles finish a powder room showcasing a vanity with stone counter. And curving gracefully to both the upper and lower levels are beautiful hardwood staircases. The upper level showcases hardwood flooring throughout the hallway and in the master bedroom, with the 3 other bedrooms all finished with quality laminate flooring. Both washrooms on this level have tiled floors, with the main 4-piece washroom also featuring a south-facing window for bright natural light, a bath area with a soaker tub, a pot light, and tiled shower walls accented with a mosaic border, as well as a vanity with stone counter and undermount basin. The second, third, and fourth bedrooms all have double closets with mirrored doors, good-sized windows with either south or east-facing exposures for ample natural brightness, and their own distinct ceiling lights, including a lovely chandelier in the fourth bedroom, as well as a stained glass light fixture in the second bedroom. While 2 staircase windows and a lantern-style pendant light keep the hallway nice and bright as well. At the west end of the hall is the beautiful master bedroom. Brightened by an elegant light fixture and flooded with natural light through an oversized west-facing bay window with a deep ledge, The east side of the room has 2 double closets and a full wall of mirrored sliding doors, which enhances the spaciousness of this personal retreat. The spa-like ensuite washroom showcases a glass shower with tiled walls, rainfall and handheld shower heads, and a herringbone border and mosaic flooring, both of stone, as well as a built-in toiletry cabinet that coordinates with a vanity finished with a stone counter. The fully developed lower level features high-quality laminate flooring throughout, and with its generously sized rooms, brings exceptional living and entertaining space to the home, while also being ideal as an in-law suite. The bedroom is quite spacious and has a mirrored door double closet, as well as access to a walk-in storage closet, and there is even more storage space available under the staircase. The recreation area can accommodate a dining area between the living room and the kitchen, which features a stainless steel double sink, fridge, and stove, as well as wood cabinetry, and pot lighting brightens this entire space. And to complete this level is a beautiful 3-piece washroom showcasing polished floor tiles, a vanity with countertop basin, as well as a corner shower area with tiled walls and rounded glass enclosure. Close to David Farr and Forest Brook Parks, within the catchment area of Maple Ridge Public, St. Monica Catholic Elementary, Dunbarton High, and St. Mary Catholic Secondary Schools for their French immersion programs, as well as being a short walk to top-rated William Dunbar Public School. This home is just a short drive to the Pickering Town Centre Mall, the GO Station, and has easy access to Highway 401, as well as being close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.